doctors at Lecky Road, St Peter's Surgery, and I've been with him ever since I was, well, in my very early 20s, 22 exactly, and I wouldn't swap him for the world.
I don't believe in it. I don't believe in healthcare no more at all. I lost my faith.
My husband's had cancer 5 years ago, and he was looked after very, very well.
I went to the dentist and I got my braces put on, and I think that the service there was really good. Like, I didn't really have any troubles with appointments, or like, I think they were really polite as well, and they explained the whole process to me, and it was very good, very good.
Last night my daughter went on, 1 staff on, 4 staff called in sick. So you tell me now, 4 staff on, 4 staff off, 1 staff on, how do we cope with that night?
Walsall Manor Hospital, it's generally okay. Most times I've been down there, it's again, I've all sorts of different things. I've got asthma, I've been for that. They've sorted me out for that. Phone service was quite good.
For some unknown reason, you get senior nurses, but they're very snotty.
The nursing side, I think the only thing I noticed were they were a bit short-handed on staff, but the staff that they did have, everything was dealt with professionally, and it was done to the best of their ability.
If somebody goes in with a complaint and say, well, I don't think my dad's been changed, or he's not been fed, or is it, that's okay, and that's it. It's brushed under the carpet.
More staff, more doctors, more people. Forget about paperwork. Let's get them on the ward and let's look after patients.
Because sometimes I think in the past I've gone to see a doctor and they've been a bit, I get stuck for words, I don't really know how to explain myself, and they sort of talk with me and help me along and let me know that everybody's there for me and my kids, which is what you need really.
Even on the doctor's point of view, I think the doctor's really good. The specialist that I had to deliver my baby, we were in 2 minds to, it was going to either go cesarean or it could have been, it was eventually delivered naturally, but they handled it professionally and they did the best thing for my wife as well, because obviously everybody knows if it would have been an operation, it would have been a complicated procedure then.
People say nowadays that when they ring the doctors for an appointment, they might say, well, you can't get in for next week or this week or possibly 2 or 3 weeks.
Generally they're not too bad, but there is a problem now with getting to see the doctor, and you can wait a week to get in to see the doctor, and if it's fairly serious, that's not good enough, is it? No.
I went to the hospital, doctors, he says, oh, next week, and this is Monday. I can't get until the following Monday, so what's that about?
I mean, not everything's perfect, and you do have your moans and groans, but on the positive side, if you don't get done today, you can get done tomorrow.
Well, I think there's such a lot of money wasted.
But they're understaffed, undercut. The government says it's going to be better, it's going to get worse.
I think there could be far more information out there with regards to treatments and helping yourself, really.
But I think if you read the papers and you're interested, you will find things out.
But I've got so much admiration for Walsall Health, the Manor Hospital, the intensive care unit, and the people who looked after me down there. They were superb, they really were.
I think you have got to go for it sometimes. It's no good saying, can't see the doctor. If you go, sometimes I do play my face. That's a Willie Hall expression. I do play my face. And you do sometimes get a slightly better reaction than to say, I'll give up, because you can't afford to give up.